So it's the holidays and you're in charge of the baked mac and cheese this year. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to make the creamiest, cheesiest baked mac and cheese that will have you on mac and cheese duty and have everybody asking you for the recipe. So first things first, freshly grated cheeses only. I use smoked Gouda, Vermont sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, and mozzarella. And of course, I boil my noodles in some chicken bouillon cubes. Set that aside and got started on my roux. I mixed 5 tablespoons of butter with 2.5 tablespoons of flour. Let that cook out, then added in 2 cups of evaporated milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. Then I add in some Boursin cheese, and of course I gotta season it up with the Danos Ish seasoning and the Danos original seasoning. I added about 2 tablespoons of each. Then I turn off my heat so my sauce doesn't break, and I slowly add in half of the cheeses. Once it's nice and thick like this, I go ahead and pour my cheese sauce over my noodles. Mix that all together and layer my mac and cheese with the remaining cheeses. Then I bake it at 400 degrees uncovered for 20 minutes.